Hello and welcome back to this month's Organism of the Month here at the Bean Museum.
This month, we'll take a deep dive to learn about a fantastic fish, the tuna.
There are 15 species that are part of the tuna scientific grouping, also known as Thunini. They are all sleek, open ocean fish, but they vary a lot in size. The smallest species, the bullet tuna, is only about 1.5 feet long, but the largest tuna, the Atlantic bluefin, can be up to 15 feet long and weigh up to 1,500 pounds. That's more than a horse. Tuna are found all across the world's ocean, from tropical waters near the equator to the icy waters of the Arctic.
Tuna have a lot of really cool adaptations that help them survive in so many different habitats.
One of them is that they can maintain their own body temperature. You see, most fish are ectothermic, which means they rely on the environment to control their temperature, but tuna have a unique ability to use the heat they produce from muscle activity and store it in their blood. This keeps the tuna fish warmer than the surrounded water temperature.
These fish are also incredibly fast. The yellowfin tuna is capable of speeds up to 47 miles per hour. A 200-pound tuna will cruise at around 3 miles per hour, but it can shift into turbo with speeds up to nearly 30 miles per hour. In order to achieve these speeds, they can retract their fins and make their bodies into a streamlined torpedo. These fish have to be constantly moving to push oxygen through their gills, just like sharks, otherwise they would suffocate.
Tuna fish are seasoned sailors. Some species that are born in the Sea of Japan travel across the Pacific Ocean to feed off of the coast of California, then swim right back to Japan for the breeding season. They pretty much have their own GPS system up their nose. They have something called magnetite, a mineral found in the sensory pits of their nose, that could be used to detect the magnetic fields and use them for navigation. Tunas are apex predators, consuming all kinds of other species of fish and also crustaceans and squid. This helps keep their ecosystems balanced. Tuna are also delicious food, not only for humans, but also for other ocean creatures. They are hunted by sharks, whales, and sometimes even bigger tunas.
Due to overfishing by humans, at one time, many species of tuna became endangered. However, in 2021, new data released showed that the Atlantic bluefin tuna and the yellowfin have now moved to a status of least concern. New fishing regulations have helped to protect these awesome fish. That's all for this month. If you learned a fun fact, be sure to tell an educator in a green shirt to earn a bio card.
You can also find the tuna coloring page at our museum website or at our Discovery readings. Make sure to submit your masterpiece for a chance to win a prize.
See you next time!